already an audio for this, but I am so sorry if you fall in love with this side of me and you get that side. Because let me tell you, that is 85% of me constantly just randomly. Me in the middle of conversation just because that is me. If you fall in love with the looks and think that I'm so pretty, just know it's coming your way. It's coming. You won't see it. I'll just sneak up right next to your ear and just because it happens. It happens constantly. I'll be sitting there listening to music. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to do. Just